In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit sequences in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your Sales tab and locate the option for sequences. Click on this right here. Once you have done that, you should be able to see right here the upgrade page UI, which is usually what you will have if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet. You can also start a 14-day free trial if you want. Now click on this create the sequence. So if you already have a sequence, you can head over and edit it from there. Let me head over and edit right here event follow-up sequence and click on this create option. Now once you have clicked on this, it should be able to create the sequence. You can just name it right here and save it. Now if you wish to edit this particular sequence, you can head over right here into this tab. You can click onto this pencil icon in order to edit that particular sequence, or you can also click onto this actions and manage the settings or edit the campaign itself. So you can head over and edit this according to your liking. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.